listen, my people, they chained the body, they sold the name. They tried to break the spirit, but the soul still flame. Came with papers, ships and chains, turn human breath into profit and gain. Call a mother cargo, call a father tool, made a child grow up under whip and rule. They changed the names, they cut the tongue, stole the songs, the ancestors' song, sold the husband far from wife, then called that evil a way of life. They tried to make a person forget their face, tried to make the mirror feel like disgrace, tried to make the brother hate the brother's skin, tried to plant division deep within. Use fear like fire, use pain like school, use hunger and violence as our wicked rule. But every night when the moonlight came, the drum remembered the stolen name. Oh yeah, the chains still cry, hear the mother still pray, hear the old soul saying, don't let the truth be dying. If they taught us separation, we must teach restoration. If they planted shame and pain, we must grow love again. They could not own the soul, they could not kill the flame. They could steal the body, but not the holy name. They could not own the soul, though they try to break the mind. We are children of the sunrise, still rising from the night. No more chains on the spirit, no more lies in the blood, no more hate between the children of the same ancestral mud. They could not own the soul, truth will make us whole. From the wound of yesterday, we rise with one soul. They wrote wicked lessons on the slave master page, how to turn love into fear and rage. Make old fight young, make woman fight man, make shade fight shade by a cruel command. But evil strategy, don't be destiny. What they design cannot bury we. If they use division to keep us low, then unity is how the healing go grow. Teach the child the story, but don't feed him hate. Teach the womb with wisdom before it gets late. Teach him he is royal, teacher, she is light. Teach them to love their people and stand for right. We don't heal by hiding what the past has done, we heal by facing truth on the morning sun. The slave ship was real, but the soul was free, and the future still belongs to dignity. Oh yeah, the chains still cry, hear the mother still pray, hear the old soul say, don't let the truth be dying. If they taught us separation, we must teach restoration. If they planted shame and pain, we must grow love again. They could not own the soul, they could not kill the flame. They could steal the body, but not the holy name. They could not own the soul, though they tried to break the mind. We are children of the sunrise, still rising from the night. No more chains on the spirit, no more lies in the blood, no more hate between the children of the same ancestral mud. They could not own the soul, truth will make us whole. From the wound of yesterday, we rise with one soul. Break the mental chain, call the people by the name, heal the woman, heal the man, put the family back to stand. Dark skin, light skin, same roots, same kin, old and young together. We are stronger when we remember. They could not own the soul, they could not kill the flame. They could steal the body, but not the holy name. They could not own the soul, though they tried to break the mind. We are children of the sunrise, still rising from the night. Tell the children who they are, more than scars, more than pain, more than memory, liberty. They could not own the soul still free.